Your liver is your body's detox center, filtering out all the bad stuff we come across. When it gets overloaded with fat, it struggles to do its job, leading to fatty liver disease, which is more common than you might think. But don't worry, because today we're about to uncover 10 amazing superfoods that can help you get your liver back in tip-top shape. So let's get started and show your liver some love. Number 10. Avocados. First up, the creamy and delicious avocado. Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, avocados are a fantastic choice for liver health. They contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver and protect it from damage. Plus, the healthy monounsaturated fats in avocados help reduce liver inflammation and promote healthy liver function. Adding avocados to your diet is super easy. You can enjoy them sliced on toast, mashed into guacamole, or even blended into a smoothie for a creamy texture. And here's a fun fact. Did you know avocados are technically berries? Pretty wild, right? So go ahead and add this nutrient-packed superfood to your meals. Number 9. Leafy greens. Next, we've got the green powerhouses like spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. These veggies are full of chlorophyll, which helps detoxify your liver and neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall liver health. Incorporating them into your diet can be as simple as adding a handful to your morning smoothie, tossing them into a fresh salad, or sautéing them as a delicious side dish. And don't worry, even if you're not a fan of the taste, there are plenty of ways to sneak these greens into your meals without even noticing. Your liver will thank you for the extra boost. Number 8. Green tea. Sip your way to a healthier liver with green tea. This ancient beverage is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve liver function and reduce liver fat. Green tea helps protect the liver from toxins and can even help reduce inflammation. Drinking just a few cups a day can make a significant difference in your liver health. If you're not a fan of the traditional taste, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey to enhance the flavor. And the best part? Green tea is not only good for your liver, but also for your overall well-being, providing a calming and refreshing experience with every sip. Speaking about refreshing experience, if you are enjoying our video so far, do drop us a like, as it would help us bring more natural health tips to you. Number 7. Fatty fish. Let's not forget our fishy friends. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for reducing liver fat and inflammation. These healthy fats help improve insulin sensitivity and decrease liver fat levels, making them an excellent choice for those looking to heal a fatty liver. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is easy and delicious. You can grill, bake, or even poach these fish for a quick and healthy meal. Try adding a squeeze of lemon and some fresh herbs for added flavor. Eating fatty fish a few times a week can make a significant difference in your liver health and overall wellness. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts aren't just for snacking, they're a powerhouse for liver health. These nuts contain high levels of amino acids, glutathione, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are great for liver detoxification and reducing inflammation. Walnuts also help improve liver function by promoting the elimination of fat deposits. A small handful of walnuts each day can provide significant health benefits. You can enjoy them on their own, toss them into salads, or sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for a crunchy and nutritious boost. Plus, they're a versatile ingredient that adds a delicious nutty flavor to many dishes, making it easy to include them in your daily diet. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires, it's a powerful superfood for your liver. This pungent bulb activates liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins, making it an excellent detoxifier. Garlic is also rich in allicin and selenium, two compounds that protect the liver from damage and support its overall health. Incorporating garlic into your meals is a breeze. You can mince it and add it to your favorite dishes, roast whole cloves for a milder flavor, or even make garlic-infused oil. Not only does garlic add a burst of flavor to your food, but it also provides a significant health boost, helping your liver stay healthy and function efficiently. Number 4. Olive oil. Swap out your regular cooking oil for olive oil and your liver will thank you. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. It also supports the liver in flushing out harmful toxins, promoting overall liver health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is easy and delicious. You can use it as a base for salad dressings, drizzle it over vegetables, or use it for cooking. Its light and versatile flavor make it a perfect addition to almost any dish. Plus, olive oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which further support liver health and overall well-being. Number 3, berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are tiny but mighty when it comes to liver health. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which protect the liver from damage and reduce inflammation. Berries also help prevent the buildup of liver fat, promoting a healthy liver function. They are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. Eat them fresh as a snack, toss them into your morning cereal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even add them to baked goods for a nutritious twist. Their sweet and tangy flavors make them a delightful and easy addition to your diet, helping to support liver health effortlessly. Number 2, turmeric. Spice things up with turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's a powerful ally for your liver. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. It also aids in liver detoxification and helps regenerate healthy liver cells. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple and flavorful. You can sprinkle it into your dishes, such as soups, stews, and curries, or even add it to smoothies for a health boost. For a soothing drink, try making a warm turmeric latte with milk and honey. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine not only enhances the flavor of your meals, but also provides significant health benefits for your liver. Number 1, apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially when it comes to liver health. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps cleanse the liver and aid digestion. The antioxidants in apples help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. Incorporating apples into your diet is easy and enjoyable. You can eat them fresh as a snack, add them to salads, or bake them into delicious desserts like apple crisps. Their natural sweetness and crisp texture make them a versatile fruit that pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes. So, whether you enjoy them on their own or mixed into your favorite recipes, apples are a fantastic choice for supporting liver health. So there you have it, 10 amazing superfoods that can help heal your liver and keep it healthy. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple and effective way to support liver function and improve overall health. Give them a try and see the difference they make. Remember, a healthy liver means a healthier you. Thank you for watching our video till the very end. What do you think about these 10 superfoods that we have presented today? Let us know in the comments below if you know of any other superfoods that we could add to our list. Stay in touch with us by clicking on the subscribe and bell icon so that we can deliver the next video straight to your notifications real soon.